My guy Heavy Hand said to try out Malibu, Fireball, and Coke. He calls it the Bonfire at the Beach. So let's pour this shit up. Let's come in here with this drinkable sunscreen in the glass. Do about a shot of each. Come in here with this Fireball. One of the worst liquors out there. Let's come in here with that good old Coca-Cola. The rest of the way. You know, we gotta give this a little mix. I wasn't leaving Vegas empty-handed. Cheers, y'all. Bonfire at the beach. It's not bad. It's not good either. This one's probably gonna get a 5 out of 10.